Our girls, when they get a chance, they are at the forefront of the whirlwind of success. Their determination makes impossible possible with right guidance. They can give a proper shape to their future, and this is the main mission of Pragya Girls' School. The girls are nurtured in a homely environment with the utmost care taken from food to health. Pragya Girls' School is preparing the girls in the true Indian culture with modern education. Pragya Girls' School has established its unique identity and is grooming the girls to establish their identity in the society and is inspiring them to walk on the path of success. Pragya shapes its girls into self-confident, disciplined and cultured human beings. Pragya Girls' School has been bestowed with the Best Girls' School 2017-18 by Education World. Forbes has nominated Pragya Girls' School among the 50 girls' school in India 2018. Pragya is also awarded as Best of the Best School by Municipal Corporation of India. Pragya girls have performed extremely well in board exams, both in 10th and 12th. The girls came out with flying colors, maintaining the Pragya banner at its peak. Hard work always pays, as only 2 girls have been selected from MP and Chhattisgarh, and it's a matter of extreme pride that both of them are from Pragya. Pragya girls have marked their excellence in sports too. Pragya is the only school which has a well-equipped indoor shooting range. The girls have brought laurels to the school by winning several gold medals at the national level. The school provides various sports facilities in cricket, basketball, table tennis, and badminton, and so on. The girls are equally competent in cultural programs, and they have established themselves as winners. May it be debate and speeches, also the girls have showcased their talent in various competitions like music, dance and drawing. Pragya is not just a teaching institute, but it is a journey of successful 17 years of love and dedication. It provides a solid platform to her girls with a well-planned curriculum catering to a child's need. It emphasizes overall growth of the child with world-class infrastructure and smart class initiative. The labs are fully equipped. The school library provides a flexible space with a wide and inclusive range of resources to support learning and teaching throughout the school. Pragya is highly concerned about the safety and security of her girls, and specially arrangements have been made to protect girls in the premises, and security is monitored by 24 hours CCTV cameras. For the smooth functioning of any institution, its transport plays a very vital role. A fleet of buses ply in all directions of indoor and surrounding areas. Full care is taken of the security inside the buses. They follow the set norms of RTO, cameras, GPS tracking devices. Speed governors have been installed in the buses. Also, a female attendant is present in the buses along with the girls. Safety and security is the utmost priority of Pragya. Vidyadham Hostel, a home away from home. The girls are taken care by affectionate and motherly wardens. The hostel has a stress-free environment with comfortable lodging and boarding facilities. The food which is served is cooked under the guidance of best dietitians, cooked in a very hygienic manner and is nutritious and delicious. The girls in Vidyadham are provided with special academic coaching by experts. The best medical facilities are available to the girls. Yoga and meditation classes are regularly held. For their recreation, weekly outings are also planned. The child learns to live independently with a strong body, mind and spirit in the present world of globalization. A small girl enters Pragya Girls' School as a child and leaves it as one who is aware of herself and determined to make a difference in this world. It has always been our sincere endeavor here to make gentlewoman out of a small girl by taking special care of her overall development. We intend to harness their potential, to keep up the spirit and to uphold the traditional values of this institution.